I would say they have been victims of this rampant commercialization of exams. I have been telling the Honorable Minister, he is a very sensible, intelligent minister, that too much of centralization of these exams will create havoc. Sir, why was it our founding fathers found it appropriate to leave the education to the states? They always harp on emergency. During the emergency, on account of 42nd Amendment, the education was taken out of the states. If they are against emergency, they should always give back the education to the states, which they are not doing it. Sir, I doubt whether we can have a reply from the Honorable Education Minister. Is it not a fact that the Home Minister will have to come to the House and reply to the debate here? Because O.A. Malik, ye Delhi ka Malik, Asli Malik kaun hai, sir? None other than Amit Shah ji. I don't think Dharmendra Pradhan ji would be in a competent position to reply to this debate. Sir, because the High Court, when there was a fire in Mukherjee Nagar coaching center, the High Court of Delhi said that all these agencies together, including DDA, which is under you, should inspect and give NOC. Sir, out of 550 coaching centers, hardly 67 coaching centers have NOC. Who is responsible? Kiska jimindari? You are responsible for that. Sir, you passed the NCRT law. We told you that you want to have power without responsibility. You have unleashed confusion, mayhem, chaos in Delhi. We don't know who is responsible for what portfolio, sir. Sir, in 2019, there was a fire at a coaching center in Surat. 22 students had tragic death. Did you learn anything from that? The coaching mafia, which is to the tune of more than 1 lakh crore. Sir, they take electoral bond from these coaching mafias. Didn't you get electoral bonds from these coaching companies? Is it not a fact that you are not prepared to regulate this coaching business because you are getting huge donations in the form of electoral bonds from this coaching mafia? I charge you with complicity and also direct involvement in this coaching business. Sir, whether you like it or not, what has happened? The rural, sir, I gave the notice.
Conclude.
Sir, the rural-urban divide is very much seen in these competitive exams. Haves and have-nots. Second, there is an elitization of education. Sir, when I was a student in JNU, we looked down at these competitive exams, UPSC exams. Now, you have relegated the social science to the back burner. There is a scramble. You have injected killing instinct in the minds of the students.
Please conclude now.
You are responsible, and you have brought the notice to blame up, whereas the blame squarely rests on you. And I would urge upon.